Dice is on the beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sydney and today this video is sponsored by Supernova Hair. This is the box that the wig came in. It also comes with an adjustable strap, wig cap, and satin bag. Now they sent me over a 20-inch, 180 density curly 99J, I think 99J, which is burgundy wig. Now I chose the light 99J. You can choose, there's two different options for this burgundy color, dark and light. So I chose the lighter one. And this is a 13x4 wig cap with adjustable straps, combs, and then it just says human hair wigs in that tag. This is what the color is looking like. So right now I'm actually just going to prep the wig. It just involve co-washing and letting it set overnight. This is what the hairline's looking like. It is pre-plucked. You can definitely wear this just like this. I have to wait until I see it wet to know if I'm going to pluck any further, but like I said, you do get 4 inches of parting space. And this is 180 density, so this is a pretty thick wig.
Yavi on the beat.
So the hair is all finished drying. This is what it looks like. Doesn't this look so pretty? Like, I know that Supernova Hair is known for their 99J burgundy hair, but you know, when they contacted me to do this video, I was like, you know what, I want something different. So I was going through the website and saw a picture of this wig. I was like, I need it. I just wet it and put some mousse on the top, and that was it. I just let it be, and a little bit of this macadamia oil. So that's it. Really easy. Right now I'm just going to apply a little bit of makeup powder to the lace and put it on. Like this, and just on like that.
Yavi on the beat. Yavi on the beat. on the beat. Yavi on the beat.
This hair looks so cute and just feels so nice and light and so thick and full. Like, this is 180 density, which is more than enough hair. The hairline looks great. The curls are popping. As you can see, I cut it into this, you know, shorter, just a little cute little fro look. Still, I'm trying to get this. I worked out this morning in this, so I just, and the sides lifted up down here a little bit, so I just tacked that back down. Really, really easy. I'm just flattening this out. You know, I was sweating a lot. It was 80 degrees this morning, 78. Well, that's a lie, but it was warm outside. Hey guys, so I switched it to a side part, and this is the final look. I think it looks so pretty. This lace looks amazing. I mean, y'all, I did that, but look at this hair. Like, this is so cute. Shout out to Supernova Hair. They did that. This color is so pretty. I definitely would recommend this hair to anyone interested in curly hair, and especially looking for pre-colored curly hair. This is, you know, just a real switch up, and it's so easy, so natural. You can still wear this to work, dress it up, dress it down. You know, it's very, very versatile. So shout out to them.